EOQ or economic order quantity is another technique for material control. A valuable tool, especially for small business owners who need to make decisions about how much inventory to keep in hand, how many items to order each time, and how often should we order in order to incur the lowest possible cost. We will see in detail about the concept EOQ. Economic order quantity is a tool used to determine the volume and frequency of orders required to satisfy a given level of demand while minimizing the cost per unit. This concept was introduced by Ford Whiteman Harris, who developed the mathematical principle, which was then taken up by an industrial consultant specialized in inventory management, Mr. R.H. Wilson, who used and applied this formula for inventory optimization. EOQ is also known as Wilson EOQ model or Wilson formula. This model assumes that the demand is constant, that is, spread evenly throughout the year. Moreover, ordering cost is flat, that is, constant, and the lead time is fixed. Lead time is a time period between the initiation and completion of production process. These are some among the assumptions of EOQ. The concept deals with two costs, that is, cost of managing inventory can be summed up in two parts: ordering cost or the buying cost and carrying cost or the holding cost. Ordering cost is a cost for ordering the materials. Those include cost of staff, expenses incurred on transportation of the goods, inspection of costs for the incoming materials, etc. Carrying cost, on the other hand, is the holding cost. That includes cost of capital invested in the inventories, insurance cost, the cost of spoilage in handling of materials, the cost of storage when not used for the purpose, etc. As said, EOQ is the size of the lot to be purchased which is economically viable. The formula for EOQ is square root of 2 into annual usage in units into ordering cost divided by annual carrying cost per unit. Annual usage is the demand or the consumption. Ordering cost is the order placement cost. And annual carrying cost is the stock ownership cost. We know that EOQ or economic order quantity is the order quantity that minimizes total holding and ordering costs for the year. This is a graphical representation of the EOQ. The y-axis shows the cost and x-axis shows the quantity per order. EOQ is the point where the carrying cost curve and the ordering cost curve intersect. And moreover, the total cost should be at the lowest. Here, the total cost curve or the red curve as shown is the lowest at the figured star, and similarly, the carrying cost and the ordering cost intersects at that very point, showing the economic order quantity. We'll now take up this example. Calculate economic order quantity from the following: annual consumption 6,000 units, cost of ordering rupees 60, carrying cost rupees 2. The question is clear here, it's direct. We have to calculate EOQ. We know that the formula for EOQ is square root of 2 into annual usage in units into ordering cost divided by annual carrying cost per unit. Now, we have all the three elements given directly. We can just note down root of 2 into annual consumption 6,000 into ordering cost is directly given rupees 60 divided by annual carrying cost per unit. So it is also directly given rupees 2. So while calculating, we will get EOQ as 600 units. So the optimal size that we need to order for the lowest cost is 600 units. Looking into this example, from the following particulars, calculate economic order quantity. Annual requirements 1600 units, cost of materials per unit rupees 40, cost of placing and receiving one order rupees 50, annual carrying cost for inventory value 10%. Here the question is not a direct one. There is a small calculation to be done. We know that for the formula we need to find out the annual usage in units. Usage or demand, it's given direct. Annual requirements is 1600. Then next is ordering cost. We have the ordering cost here. Cost of placing and receiving one order rupees 50. Then the third element is annual carrying cost per unit. Here it's given annual carrying cost for inventory value is 10%. Now what is the total inventory we have, or the inventory cost we have? Multiplied by the percentage given. So the inventory value is cost of materials per units rupees 40, and we have to multiply that with the percentage given. Together, carrying cost per unit, annual carrying cost per unit. So the solution will be EOQ is equal to root of 2 into annual usage in units, that is 1600 units, into ordering cost, that is rupees 50, divided by annual carrying cost per unit, that is 40 into 10%. That is 40 is the inventory value. The percentage, annual carrying cost percentage is 10%. So you'll get the EOQ as 200 units. To sum up, the optimal volume and frequency of orders required to satisfy a given level of demand is the economic order quantity. It is a set point designed to help companies minimize the cost of ordering and holding inventory. The cost of ordering inventory falls with the increase in ordering volume due to purchasing on economies of scale. As the size of inventory grows, the cost of holding the inventory also increases. I hope the concept of EOQ is clear. EOQ is a very essential and significant concept among the material cost techniques. Please do share your comments. For more updates, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.